Hey, JV Partners and Affiliates. It's Mike Filsame, CEO and co-founder of GrooveFunnels. And on behalf of my business partners, we are very happy to announce the official launch of GrooveFunnels. Now, the dates are October 6th, which is a Tuesday, through Sunday, October 18th. Now, we have our sights set on doing $20 million for this launch, making it the biggest launch in 2020 and a great way to close out. And we expect to be paying up to $10 million in affiliate commissions and prizes. So you want to get your share. We're going to tell you how we're going to do that in just a minute. But first, let's talk about the prizes. We're going to be giving away 3 cars, the first time in history it's ever been done. Now, what are these 3 cars? Well, the grand prize is a brand new Chevrolet Corvette C8. It's the first time in the history of Chevrolet Corvettes that they've built a mid-engine car like a Ferrari or a Lamborghini. This car is hot and somebody is going to be winning this grand prize. Now, second place is a brand new Ford Mustang Mach-E electric 4-door SUV crossover car. If you haven't seen it, look on this page. It's absolutely phenomenal. And the third, celebrating the third American car, is the brand new, all new redesigned Ford Bronco. No, not OJ, the brand new Ford Bronco. This is sort of a mixture between a Jeep and a Toyota FJ Cruiser. This thing is hot. The roof comes off, the doors come off. On top of that, we're gonna be giving away a $5,000 Mac Pro. And on top of that, we're giving away a $5,000 Apple experience, as well as trips on the Marketer's Cruise, tons of Apple products, and of course, the Groove G-Spot bikini and matching face mask for the 21st place. And right on this page, using GrooveCell's exclusive technology, we're gonna have a live leaderboard widget, so you'll always know what place you're in all the way into the last minute. It will literally update in real time. Now, this page will have all of the promotion tools, swipes, banners, everything that you need right below on this page. Now, the easiest way to become an affiliate is just join GrooveFunnels for free. There's no credit card required. And then when you're done, come back to this page, refresh the page, and all of your tools and affiliate links will be right below this video on this page where it says promotion tools. Now, you're wondering, how could we be doing a launch when we opened Groove on April 7th? Well, the truth is, we never launched Groove. We opened it during COVID on April 7th in beta. And at that time, it was just Groove Pages, and GrooveCell and Groove Affiliate were just starting. But now for October, we're pleased to announce that GrooveFunnels is going to include Groove Pages, GrooveCell, Groove Affiliate, an affiliate marketplace like ClickBank, GrooveCell Payments, where we can do the payment processing and pay your affiliates at lower rates than ClickBank, or you could bring your own merchant accounts where we don't take any fees. On top of that, we're going to have Groove Mail with automations and sequences and tagging and all your automations, as well as being able to send emails, text messages, and voice broadcasts, plus Groove Members, so you have a built-in membership platform. And on top of that, Groove Video. All that is going to be live for the launch. But here's the most important thing. The launch is going to be the closeout of the lifetime offer that we're making. We're going to be releasing Groove Webinars, Groove Blog, Groove Desk, Groove Survey, Groove Quiz. And once that happens, we're going to be going to $99, $199, and $299 a month, depending on the options that the people take. Now, we're going to be providing a ton of bonuses, mostly software bonuses and more. Now, if you're a GrooveFunnels user and you've paid for the lifetime, all of these bonuses are going to be backwards compatible. We're going to be giving a freemium to many different software products, some that we can't wait to announce. One is a new chat software that we have coming out. Another is the all-new Review Trust. The other one is a drag and drop builder to be able to design your own iPhone or Android app and get it into the Android or Apple store. And that is really something that we're excited about, and a couple more that we just can't talk about yet. Now, not only are those bonuses available only during the launch and to previous customers, but they will be going away once the launch ends, as well as the lifetime deal. So this is going to be big. We're giving away $150,000 in prizes, up to $10 million in commissions. Our goal is to hit $20 million. So let's wrap this up. The dates are Tuesday, October 6th, and we close on Sunday, October 18th at midnight Pacific time +2, which is actually Monday morning on the 19th at 5 a.m. Eastern time. To become an affiliate and get your updates, make sure to join GrooveFunnels at groovefunnels.com. It's free to join, no credit card is required, and that makes you an affiliate. And then come back to this page, hit refresh, come back often for updates. Thank you very much, and we'll see you soon.